Hello and welcome to Fun Barbecue. Let's make some flapsteak carne asada. I've seen a few videos lately, and most recently it was Rob over at BBQ Pit Dog that inspired me. Okay, so I've got some flapsteak here, and then I decided I needed to trim off a little bit of the silver skin and excess fat, and I cut each piece in half just to make them easier to work on the grill. I know it looks better if they're all full, but oh well. Okay, dousing them with a little bit of pressed lemon and some garlic oil, and then I'm gonna season them with the carne asada seasoning that Kirby over at Cooking with Kirby gave to me, link above as well. So I'm seasoning them on both sides with lemon, garlic oil, and the carne asada seasoning. And then I decided to use a little bit of Heavy Made Products Texas Best Brisket Rub. I think that's what Rob used actually. Okay, so I don't have a Santa Maria inset to my Weber Kettle, so I'm just using a couple of bricks, or they're not fire bricks, but they're like some kind of tile bricks. Anyway, a base of charcoal, and then a couple of pieces of birch and a couple of pieces of apple, just to get the flames up there. And this is about 4 inches above the edge of the kettle, and I think that's gonna be good enough. Okay, spacing them out and letting them cook about 2 minutes each side twice. So in total 8 minutes, flipping them over here and there. So this is what it looks like. It worked really well. So that's a Swedish Santa Maria. And of course I have no idea how hot this was, and the thicker pieces, because a couple of them were a little bit thicker. They were rare, and the rest were medium rare, which was accepted by most everyone. Okay, so they're starting to get finished. Just flipping them the last time and then moving them around a little bit, because the flames are a bit different. It's a bit windy while I'm cooking this. Bringing them inside, letting them rest for about 20 minutes before I started slicing them up. And then it was more or less just time to build the tortilla. I used the coconut flour tortilla that I made. I'm gonna link that as well above, so that you can check it out if you want. Well, I like that picture. So this is what it looked like when cutting it up. This is one of the more medium rare pieces, and then of course a few that said move. Oh well, just cutting it all up, and then having a little bit of cucumber, tomatoes, lettuce, a little bit of smoked gouda, a little bit of hot taco sauce, and then of course some meat. And then, well, as I said, just time for a taste test. There we go, some flap meat tortillas inspired by Rob over at BBQ Pit Dog. Let's try them. Well, it's really good. I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.